This video will be to replace the door spring on your toaster oven. Remove any removable parts, including any racks inside the oven and the crumb tray. Let's begin by removing the screws on the bottom of the machine. Remove the 8 screws on the bottom circled in red. Next, remove the 2 screws on the left side of the machine circled in red. Then remove the 2 screws on the right side of the machine, circled in red. From the back of the machine, remove the 20 screws circled in red. Once you've removed all the screws, remove the top panel from the machine and move the back panel to the side. Before replacing the door spring, make sure the oven door is closed. Unhook both ends of the old door spring to remove it from the oven. Insert the replacement door spring. Be sure to insert the hooks from behind the metal rivets so that the ends of the hooks are facing out towards you. Once you've installed the replacement door spring, test the oven door to make sure the door spring has been securely installed. Reassemble the top and back panel. Insert the 20 screws circled in red onto the back panel. Reinsert the 2 screws circled in red onto the left side of the machine. Reinsert the 2 screws circled in red onto the right side of the machine. On the bottom of your machine, reinsert the 8 screws circled in red to complete the replacement of the door spring.